Rishi is a lazy guy enjoying life. But life isn't easy when you have a GF. But Rishi, being a good BF, Rishi agrees to her. Maybe because he knows there is something for his help.
Hi there, welcome to the AI Agents Marketplace. Okay, as you can see, this is the homepage and consists of some of the dummy agents. Okay, as you can see, there are mainly three options here. The first one is Submit Agent. Now, this would be used by organization or developers who are submitting their agents. The other two options, Chats and Submit Tasks, are relatively almost a similar one. The difference is that Chat is a more an interactive way to chat with the expert system, which will be handling all the other agents. And Submit Tasks is like simply when you believe the task would take very long, you just submit the task and let the expert system work on it. Okay, so for now, let's use the chats option to help Rishi. So plan a trip from say Ranchi to Goa. Okay, as you can see now, it would be having a like whatever query it found in a prompt. It will first be like asking us about those queries. Like when do you want to go? So let's say I want to go 25 December, 25th December 2025. Let it be just 25th December for now. Yeah, but it will automatically get that. How many days you want to stay? Let me not give days, simply let me give till 30th deck. Okay, that's this much. What is the approximate budget? Let me think. Let it be in dollars. So $1,000. Okay, so now like it has entered the state where it has a complete prompt with all the inputs it wanted. Now it would basically be using all the multiple agents for this task, and finally the expert system would be generalizing, would be giving the final submission for this task. It might take a little moment. I will also show you all the tasks, all the land graph code which I have written, which shows all the different states, which is like the feedback state, the understanding state of the problem, the agent, like receiving output from the agent state, etc. Okay, as you can see, it has started generating the contents. So first, it is going for the flight details, and this task would have been fulfilled like the flight agent which we have. Okay, so like it has. Okay, by the way, this is as mentioned. This is a dummy AI. Don't have any tie-up with the AI, like Indigo or anything. So it's just a dummy AI agent which we are using for now. Okay, it might take a little time as it would be like completely giving the iterary for 7 days, 6 days, whatever it was. Okay, so first, okay, so let it continue. Let me show you the code first. Okay, so this is a code structure. As you can see, we have created a folder for agents. Now this mainly consists of dummy agents which we have built for our like demonstration. The main agent here is the expert system file. Okay, now this is made from the land graph state machine, and as you can see, there are various states of the like the expert system. Now the pipeline is very simple. Basically, whenever a user submits a task, it basically understands the task, then decides which agent to call. Like out of all the available agents which have been registered to it, it chooses the best task for domain specific knowledge. Okay, then it like calls it and it gets the partial results. Now using this partial results, it forms like the final merge result. Now based on that, it evaluates like whether it was fine or not, it needs retry or not, and based on this, like it undoes the state or like proceeds further. Okay, now this export system has a great correlation with task verify.py. This contract is used by the export system when creating a new task or when like marking it verified. Now this contract will be explained in detail by my teammate.
So this smart contract is written in Python, and it basically automates a task approval workflow for on Algorand. When the contract is first created, it stores the address of the creator. After that, an agent can register for the task by calling the register task action. When they register, the contract saves the result hash they submitted, saves their address, and marks the task as unverified. The final step is approve and release. This can only be called by the original creator. When they approve the task, the contract updates and the verification status of the user also updates. This uses an inner transaction to automatically send the payment amount to the agent. So overall, the contract manages creating a task, registering an agent to complete it, and safely releasing the payment only after the creator approves.
Okay, so while we were seeing the code, the AI agent has generated the complete itinerary for the 5 6 days trip. Okay, so first you're given the flight details, Okay, it is given the estimated flight cost. This all was the flight agent task. This has given the, now it just comes the hotel task. So it given to all the hotels in the activity. Agent has done all the day-to-day activity part. Okay, so like I've never gone to Goa, so I don't know how good it is, but yeah, it looks good. Okay, so that was all. Thank you.